Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we will be doing exercise 3.2 and here comes the question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. So here we have been given half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. That means 36 meter is what? It is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. So one of the thing is being given and the length is 4 meter more than its width. It means if we know the width, we will be knowing the length as well. So let's consider, let the width be I am naming it to be B. Width is breadth actually. So x meter width and the length will be is given to be how much? 4 meter more than its width. That means we got x plus 4 meter. Now according to the question we have been given that half the perimeter rectangular garden, this is given to be equals to 36 meter. Now what is the formula for perimeter? That is twice length plus breadth, 2 dimensions. This is equals to 36 now. Now this 2 and this 2, this gets cancelled. What we are left with? Length plus breadth, and length is given to be x plus 4 and breadth is given to be x equals to 36. So you can see 2x plus 4 is 36, 2x here only, 36 minus 4 will give us 32. It means the value for x is 32 over 2, that will give us 16. And what is x actually? It was width. So width of rectangular garden is 16 meter and length of rectangular garden is x plus 4. That means 16 plus 4, that is 20 meter. So these are the required dimensions. Length is 20, width is 16 meter. Continuing with the next question. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, write another linear equation in 2 variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. In my previous video, I have explained thoroughly when the lines are intersecting or when they are parallel or when they are coincide each other. This is called graphical interpretation or geometrical interpretation. So I'll give you the link as well in the description box. You can go through. So here we have been given one equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Now if I have to make the lines intersecting, when the lines will be intersecting? When all the ratios are unequal. So we have been given A1, B1, C1. We have to write A2, B2, C2 ourselves only, keeping it in mind that we have to make all the ratios unequal. That means I can choose any of the coefficient, but I have to take care that the ratios should not be same. So I can write any of the variable, 3x plus 4y minus 3, anything. Just you have to take care that A1 over A2, that is 2 by 3, B1 over B2 3 over 4 C1 over C2 minus 8 by minus 3. So you can see none of the ratio is same. So that means this will definitely give us intersecting lines, that is unique solution. So basically answer is this one only. This is how to check. Now the second part, parallel lines. When the lines will be parallel? When there is no solution, because we know that the parallel lines will never meet, and if they never meet, that means there is no solution. And when there is no solution, when first two ratios are equal and the third ratio is not equal, and the given equation was 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Now I have to write down the equation in such a way where I must get two of the ratios same, but third ratio should not be same. So I am going to take the double of these two coefficients, 4x plus 6y, so that when I cancel them out, I will be getting the same ratio because I have doubled it. Here I will be choosing anything else, not the double one of it. Now you can see 2 by 4, 3 by 6, minus 8 by minus 5. So this gets cancelled, but this doesn't get cancelled. That means 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 8 by minus 5. Clearly a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2, but not equal to c1 over c2. There is no solution, and when there is no solution, lines will be parallel. So here the answer is, this is the equation. You can choose any of the equation of your choice. So there will be millions of equations which will give us no solution, and the line will reflect as parallel. This is just one of the answer. Now third part of the same question. Now we have to write down the equation which will coincide the given equation. So here is the given equation, 2x plus 3y minus 8. When the lines will be coincident, or when the lines will coincide each other? As I have told you earlier also, coincident lines means there is no separate line. All the solutions of both the equations will lie on the same line. So then the lines are coincident. So I have to make all the ratios equal to make it coincident lines. So that means you can take double of it, you can take triple of it. That means you will multiply with any number to the whole equation, so that ratios should be same in all the cases. Now you can check 2 by 4, 3 by 6, minus 8 by minus 16. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So when all the ratios are same, that means the lines will coincide each other. There will be infinitely many solutions. Lines will be coincident. So again, it may have millions of answers. You can choose any of your choice.